How to fix Minecraft launcher not downloading in Microsoft Store. The first thing you want to do is go to your Windows icon right here, go to your settings, go to system, then scroll down to storage. And from here, all you have to do is click on temporary files, and then click on remove files. Now once you've done that, go back to your Windows icon and type in Microsoft Store. Right click, go to app settings. From here, scroll down, click on terminate, click repair, and click reset. So once everything is done, go back and close it. Now third step is signing out to your Microsoft account and log back in. Now the fifth step is going to be go back to your Windows icon, type in Windows Update, click on check for updates. Now if there will be available updates for your PC, you'll have to do that. You'll have to execute it and your PC will automatically restart, and you can also schedule a restart. Now close back, go to your time and settings, date and time settings. From here, make sure that your time zone is set automatically and click on sync now. Once everything is set, close it. And those are the troubleshooting steps on how you can fix Minecraft Launcher not downloading on Microsoft Store.